How to share your Instagram account with someone. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. To share your Instagram account with someone, all you have to do is tap open your Instagram app. Now while you are in here, to share it with the friends or family or anyone else, you can just tap on the profile option at the bottom. From here at the top, you will find the option of share profile. Select on it. Now, the latest is to share your QR code. You can easily modify it according to your preference as well. To share it, you have two options of sharing profile via link or just tap open the copy link option. If you tap on the share profile, you will receive a list of applications where you can easily share your profile. However, if you want to do it more manual way, you can just tap on the copy link option. Once the profile URL link has been copied, now you can paste it to anyone that you prefer. With a simple tap, they will get to know about your Instagram account and easily follow you using the link or the share option. And which wraps up this video as well. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.